To withdraw your money from Etoro, you need to follow a series of steps. First, you must ensure that your account is fully verified, as this is a requirement for making withdrawals. Verification involves providing identification documents such as a passport or national ID card, and proof of address. Once your account is verified, log into your Etoro account and navigate to the withdrawal section. This is typically found in the menu or settings area of the platform. Click on the Withdraw Funds option and select the currency you wish to withdraw. You will then be asked to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure to check the minimum withdrawal amount, as this can vary depending on the currency and your account type. You should also be aware of any fees associated with withdrawals, as these can eat into your profits. After entering the amount, you will need to select your withdrawal method. Etoro offers a range of options, including bank transfers, PayPal, and other payment providers. Choose the method that is most convenient for you and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the withdrawal process. It is also important to note that Etoro has a withdrawal policy that requires you to withdraw funds back to the same source that you used to deposit them. This is a security measure to prevent money laundering and ensure the integrity of the platform. In terms of timing, withdrawals from Etoro are typically processed within 1 to 2 business days. Although this can vary depending on the withdrawal method and your location. You will receive an email notification when your withdrawal is processed, and you can also track the status of your withdrawal in the Etoro platform. To avoid any issues or delays, make sure to check the Etoro website for any specific requirements or restrictions on withdrawals. It is also a good idea to keep an eye on your account balance and transaction history to ensure that everything is in order. By following these steps and being aware of the key concepts and best practices, you can easily withdraw your money from Etoro and access your funds when you need them.